All right, we're on problem number 4 now. And I see there's some functions given to me. T is a function of x, and that's what it is. S is a function of x, and that's what it is. They want me to come up with this function w, which is a sum of s and t. Let me write this over here. So wx is going to be, well, let's take a look at this. 4x4, x5, minus 3x, minus 2x, 2, and a minus 7. I got to combine those together, and I like to put things in order. So the first thing I see is x5. So I just did this. Right. Next thing I'm going to look at is the fourth degree term, which I'm seeing this over here. So that's plus 4x to the fourth power. Then I see this, minus 3x minus 2x, which is minus 5x. And then I see the 2 and the minus 7, which is minus 5. So I'm going to commit to this and say that's what w is. All right. You may erase her out, and I'm going to erase what I just did over here. And I'm going to go to the next question. The next question, v of x. This is more difficult. V of x, let me put this over here, is t of x minus s of x. All right, so t minus s. All right, now again, more difficult. But again, I'm not going to write everything down. I'm just going to talk about it. So I like to go in order. So, minus x5. All right, and then I got this 4x4. Whoops. Okay. Minus of minus 2x is plus 2x, minus 3x is minus x. All right, what do you get here? And again, we're doing t minus s. Let's see, t minus s. So 2, whoops, sorry about that. 2 minus minus 7, I did it again. So 2 minus a minus 7 is going to be plus 7. That's going to be plus 9. Bookkeeping problem, right? Let's just get the grade key out. And did I get w of x right? What does it say it is? x5 plus 4x4 minus 5x minus 5. Did I get v of x right? Now, subtraction tends to be more prone to error, and people make mistakes, myself included, by the way. Minus x to the fifth, 4x to the fourth, minus x plus 9. So we're doing good with that. What's the next question? What's w at minus 1? Let's write that down. So w at minus 1. My recommendation, parenthesize the variable and plot in the number. And we'll do each computation separately. Let's go to town in this. Minus 1 to the fifth power is going to be minus 1. What's the next thing? Well, minus 1 to the fourth power, which is 1, and 4 times 1 is 4. Then what do you get? Well, minus 5 times minus 1 is plus 5. You get minus 5. Can I add that together? I can. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Plus 5 is 8. Minus 5 is 3. All right, let's get our grade key out. And they say it's 3. And we did compute 3, by the way. Let's do v of 2 now. And let's parenthesize a variable. What do you get? Minus, put a 2 there, to the fifth power. Plus 4, 2 to the fourth power. Minus 2, and then plus 9. All right, let's go to town on it. Minus 32. Again, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. What do you get over here? A little more complicated, isn't it? 2 to the fourth power is 16. Let me go through that. 2 times 2 is 4, 8, 16. And 16 times 4 is 64. Minus 2 plus 9. Minus 32 and 64 is 32. It's more complicated. Minus 2 plus 9. Well, 32 minus 2 is 30, and 30 plus 9 is going to be 39. Again, mistakes happen, and this is what's nice about having an answer key. You can verify that what we're saying is true with the key. Thank you.